why this module that I found on Aliexpress is amazing. And take a look, it have everything: music player, USB player, memory playback, FM radio, Bluetooth, microphone, everything. And the price starts from $1 with exclusive offer, it says, to the maximum $7. And what it says: DC 12 volts, Bluetooth 5.0, MP3, WMA, all the formats, decoder, board, hands-free, car audio, microphone, USB, TF, FM radio, MP3 music player, speaker. This module, it looks very cool. So that's why I ordered it. And of course I got it. Oh, no bubbles. So disappointed. But it's good that it comes in cardboard package. Oh, bubbles! Ooh. I'm gonna squeeze them off. Ooh. So in the package I received the very popular remote control and the cheap one. Here it is, the module. Ooh. Some cables and nothing more. It looks perfect. All the cables that come together in package I need to place for powering the device right here on this red connector, and other two are input and output audio. This thing it doesn't have built-in amplifier, but it have a Bluetooth. I can see it right here. This is the voltage regulator 7805. That this thing works on 12 volts DC voltage. And take a look at the panel. At the middle we have the screen. From the left side we have 3 buttons. It says volume up, play, pause, volume down, next or previous track. This one on the right side we have repeat, equalizer mode. We have infrared receiver right here, the logo for Bluetooth receiver, USB card reader, TF card reader, and microphone input. Beautiful module. Time for testing. As I told you, we have 3 pin wires. One of them is with 2 wires, black and red. This is for powering the device. This pin go right here. And I'm gonna try it with 5 volts. I know that it says 12 volts, but I need to try with 5 volts because one kind of this module I have burned out. I don't want to make the same mistake. Let's power up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, flashing sign Bluetooth. When you press the mode, you go to FM receiver, and also we have left and right LED equalizer or voltmeter. One more time, aux, that is audio input, and back to Bluetooth. Alright. I needed to make an adapter from this connector that goes to the Bluetooth module. We'll go to the RCA, and from here through RCA cable will be connected of input of this audio amplifier. I connected everything. Here I have the MP3 Bluetooth digital audio player. This is the module that works also on 5 and 12 volts. It gives audio output through RCA cable go to the amplifier, and on the amplifier are connected the speakers. And here I have the remote control for the digital audio player, turning on, aux. Great. First I'm gonna connect with my smartphone. And here it is, JQ-D136BT. I'm gonna connect it, pairing, yes, okay, And because of the copyright, I need to use free YouTube audio library music. Why I don't hear nothing? Oh, you need to volume up. Okay. The volume up working, volume down working. Play, pause, beautiful. Let's try the equalizer. Pop, rock, jazz, classic. I'm gonna leave it on rock. Woo! Working. By the way, all the links will be in description below, so you can check it. For the module, for the digital audio player module, which is cool so far, and the audio amplifier that I'm using. Also, I have a full video review for this one, and I disassemble and see the electronics inside, so you can see also. Now I'm gonna try the what? Let's say the USB. I'm gonna place the USB memory. Yes, automatically switch to USB, and I have a crappy music, but what to do? This is just to show that it's working. Ooh. Pause, play, next track. Working fine. Beautiful, beautiful. You can, with mode, we go to the Bluetooth. This is the FM receiver, and because I have not attached an antenna, it will not receive anything, but it's working. Okay. I need to try this. If I hook up a microphone, can be this karaoke. Turning on. Testing, test. It's working! Yeah! Oh no. Is this working or not? Yes, it's working fine, and you can sing on your favorite songs. My singing skills are very bad. And this is with echo. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I love it. This module is great. My microphone is making some kind of noise. Can you hear it? I don't know why. But when I disconnect, the noise is quitting. Adding the microphone, I can hear that noise. But the karaoke works pretty well. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think that I test everything. Only one more thing to pull out this. How fast will connect with my smartphone? 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not connecting. Why? Oh, connected. After 10 seconds. Okay, it's working. Let's go again. The volume goes. The volume is going to 50. Next track. working fine and great. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that was all for today's video presentation of this cheap digital audio Bluetooth MP3 player with a lot of functions, and also have a karaoke, and I hope you will like it. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.